talk about how can you add your products on your Shopify app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, just click here on add your products. So then it's going to take you to this list. Here add image and videos here or 3D models here, and here add product title, then here add description, and here price. So then here if you want to choose sales channels, if you want to add it online store or point of sale, and here variants, then here inventory here, and here if you want to add shipping here or category type, then vendor and tax. When you're down, you go above this sign, click on it, it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.